Hello traders, good morning. The date is 27th February Monday and this is the pre-market analysis video of Nifty and Bank Nifty. But before, I want to tell you something that I am recording this video on the Sunday night because on Monday morning I am a little busy. So that's why I cannot make video. So now let us start with the pre-market analysis of the Nifty first. So this is the daily time frame of Nifty, and as you can see that I have marked an very important level, which is this. This is 200-day moving average. You can see this black line. This is 200-day moving average, and as you can see that market has broken the 200-day moving average. Now what can do? What can happen? Market might come to at least 17,354, which is this blue line, which is an important swing low. So this can be the bottom of the market, and after that market can make a consolidation. And even I have seen in the past that market can also consolidate near the 200-day moving average. So the day's low also very important and day's high also important. So these two level are also important in Nifty in the daily time frame. But one thing is sure, market has been bearish in all 6 days in the past. So market right now in the controls of bears. So take your bias more on bear side rather than bullish side. But anything can happen in the market. If the market comes near the support level and makes a bullish price action, you might go long as well. So Monday you should wait for the price action first and then decide. But if the starting price action is bullish, do not go long, because in the recent past market so many times started with bullish candles but then reversed. So keep that thing in mind as well. Now let us go to the 5-minute time frame and see what are the important levels and how you can trade today in Nifty. So this is the 5-minute time frame of Nifty, and as you can see that on Friday market opened with a pin bar with a bullish candle but could not break above this level, which was marked as my supply zone. So that's where market took resistance, and then after a huge fall, after that last hour market was sideways. So it was a trending day where market was in the downtrend. So I have marked some important levels. First level is this level, which was a turning point. Now turning points can be very important. Even above the day's high, it is a demand zone. Sorry, it is a supply zone. This is also very important. And this level, the last late afternoon swing high, is also important. So these are the levels which are important, and the day's low where market two times takes support, and this is a range. So what we can do on Monday, as you can see, first of all, the CPR is kind of average, a little close to wide, but I will still consider this CPR to be an average CPR. So average CPR means either a sideways day or a trending day, difficult to decide. But Mondays are generally trending days, so that gives a little more favor to trending day. But anything can happen. Market can also turn sideways on Mondays. Now if the market opens in this region, if market can open in this region, which is a flat opening, then breakout of on either side is not tradable, because if market breaks this level, then CPR can be important resistance, and if market breaks this below level, Then there is a daily pivot. Look at this. And after that daily pivot, we have an important support, which is this blue line, which is a swing low. So there are important support here, there are resistance here, so lot of things to consider. But if market makes here some bearish price action opening flat, then you can take a short trade based on your S1 pivot. Your can be your target. So this can be a short entry, and if market closes below, goes below and breaks this important swing low, then I think market can be a clear downtrend and a falling market. Now if market opens in this region, then if it takes support near this level, you can take a long entry near this R1 pivot. Or if market opens a huge gap up, then only look for downtrend. That's it. And if market opens a huge gap down, then most chances will be that market can stay sideways. So sideways chances if market opens a big gap up or a big gap down, and also chances are sideways all in these levels. So keep in mind in that. But anything can happen. Market can break all the levels and might be a trending on upside on downside. So anything can happen. So just mark these important levels and see when market comes on these important levels how market reacts. If it is taking support or resistance at near these levels, then you can go uh, as a retracement trade on every support or resistance. So this is the plan for tomorrow in Nifty. And if it breaks all the levels on the upside, or if it breaks all the level on the downside, then a trending day. This is the next plan. So there are two plans. One for sideways day, you can take retracement entries, and next if it breaks all these levels, then you might think of a trending day. So now let us go to Bank Nifty and see how we can trade Bank Nifty today. So this is the daily time frame of Bank Nifty, and as you can see that Bank Nifty also looking very bearish and made so many red candles. There is a little green candle in between, but this is at the 200-day moving average. This black line is 200-day moving average. So market has now come to some important support areas in Bank Nifty, where you can see a lot of support area. This blue line can be important swing low, and also below this entire region is an important support region for Bank Nifty. Also like Nifty, Bank Nifty away from 20-day moving average, so a retracement is also due. So a lot of things looks in favors to a bullish market in Bank Nifty. So now let us go to the 5-minute time frame in Bank Nifty. But remember, bullish market can either lead to a bullish candle, or it may be a doji or some kind of sideways movement. After that it may break out, or then in the sideways movement one thing can happen, that 20-day moving average comes down and market touch it, and then it can fall. So anything can happen. So sideways chances also looks decent. Now let us go to 5-minute time frame. So this is the 5-minute time frame of Bank Nifty, and last day Bank Nifty opened with a bullish price action, looks like breaking it, but Nifty was at important resistance and Bank Nifty also reversed, and then market all day was sideways to bearish. So market completed a sideways bearish day on the Friday. Now what are the important levels for today? So there are so many resistances for Bank Nifty to climb. First this resistance, this important resistance which I have marked, this will be very very strong, because two times market came here and forced again to go down. Now also there is this resistance, this, so there are so many resistance. How much I can mark? So there are so many resistances for bank nifty, and the most important above all these is this level, which is a supply zone work very very good in the market. So this will be the strongest above all. If market comes here, opens anywhere somewhere around here, and comes here and makes a bearish price action, so a clear short entry would be there to take the profit at CPR. So this will be the first plan. And if market opens in this region, then breakout of any of these region, especially on the upside or downside, the not will be, if upside breakout happens, then if you ignore the R1 pivot, then the next resistance will be this. But again remember, R1 pivot also has so many resistances which I didn't mark, but these can market can turn from these also. So again, not a very very good to go long. If market breaks all the levels, then only a good long entry will come. And in the downside as well, there are so many support there. So market if breaks all these levels, then but then also can take support for S1 or this swing low, or if this breaks, then this level can be important. So let us see, but looks like the market has so many resistances and supports near, so chances likely for a sideways day. So I will be looking for some retracement entries, because this level is not very important, because it is not a big demand zone, it is a very small demand zone. So if market opens, makes a bearish price action, you can go short, forget this level, and take your profit at near S1 pivot. So this can be a better entry in the market. So there are two type of trades looks like. First, if market opens here and makes a bearish price action, you can go short for 1:2 near CPR. And next, if market opens, makes a bearish price action, you can go for S1 pivot for 1:2. Again a little risky, but remember, market in market you come here to take risk. And a big disclaimer, this is not a advice to buy or sell, this is just for educational purpose. Do not trade blindly according to my advice or any other advice. Use price action, learn price action, and see if the price action is supporting you. Then only at an important level, then only you take your trade. So this is my advice. Remember, trade also with your own analysis in the market. Just don't blindly follow anyone, because I am open for next day for any kind of movement. I will also look for the price action, and I can change my view. Suppose the market opens with a big green candle, then might change my view to bullish to bearish. Anything can change. So this, keep in mind is these things as well. So uh, from that note, bye bye from now.